Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Simon Cowell, the legendary TV judge and music mogul behind shows like American Idol, The X Factor, and Britain's Got Talent. Over the years, rumors and speculation have circled about his personal life, and one question fans often ask is Simon Cowell gay? Let's break it all down. Simon Cowell is a British television producer, music executive, and talent show judge who became internationally famous for his sharp wit, brutal honesty, and uncanny ability to spot talent. He's been responsible for launching global stars like One Direction, Leona Lewis, and Susan Boyle. With decades in the entertainment industry, he's built both fame and fortune. Speculation about Simon Cowell's sexuality has followed him for years. His polished image, strong opinions, and sometimes flamboyant mannerisms led to questions about whether he might be gay. In addition, his late marriages, high-profile relationships, and the fact that he remained a bachelor for much of his career fueled the rumors. Is Simon Cowell gay? No, Simon Cowell is not gay. He has consistently identified as heterosexual and has been romantically linked with several women throughout his life. In 2013, he welcomed his son, Eric, with his partner Lauren Silverman, with whom he's still in a relationship. While he's occasionally joked about the rumors, Cowell himself has never claimed to be anything but straight. Simon Cowell's life has always attracted speculation, and that comes with being a celebrity who thrives in the spotlight. But when it comes to his sexuality, the truth is simple. He's straight. The rumors are just another part of the intrigue that surrounds one of TV's most famous personalities.